A very good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Are you fine? Are you studying at home? Are you looking at the videos? Homeline classes which is going on, my dear children? Please, you have to open your mobiles and see the videos. We have started with the chapter that was word formation. And we have finished some word letters. Now today we are going to go for anagram. What is anagram? See here, when the letters of a word are rearranged to form another different words with a meaning of its own, the new word formed is an anagram of the given word. Now over here it is telling, now if we are taking a letter L-I-V-E, life, and now we have to make a new word from that same letters we are going to take, and we are going to make a new word from that L-I-V-E, live. So now we are going to make, if we make V-I-L-E, is it making a meaningful letter? No. Then E-V-I-L, evil, it's a meaningful letter word. We have to make a meaningful word from those words. B-A-K-E, bake, so it is given B-E-A-K, beak. Next, C-A-R-E, R-A-C-E, race. S-C-A-R, scar. C-A-R-S, cars. That means the above words are anagrams. You have to change those words to make a new word, and that too it should be a meaningful word. You can't make any word or anyhow. Now if you are taking B-A-K-E, bake, if you take K-E-A-B, is it making a meaningful word? No. A-B-K-E, no. So B-E-A-K, beak, beak means a bird beak. Just see again, what is the anagram? Anagram is a word or a phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using the original letters. Exactly, only once we are using. For example, the word anagram can be rearranged into nag-a-ram if it is N-A-G-A-R-A-M, ram, or the word binary into brainy, or the word adobe, see A-D-O-B-E, into aboard. See N-A-G-A, so we have made that over here, it is showing R-A-M, ram, or the word B-I-N-A-R-Y, binary, it is brainary, or the word adobe into aboard. See 20 cool anagrams over here. Whatever your level of knowledge, Word Finder can be a great tool to assist you to unscramble letters and identify anagrams when playing online and offline games. Here are some examples to help you to become more familiar with anagrams, starting with the word anagram itself. What does that word anagram itself mean? We are going to make a new word from that. Just see over here. Anagram, nag-a-ram. See the new word. Below, elbow. Study, dusty. Night, thing. Act, cat. Desert, stressed. Bad credit, debit credit. Gainly, laying. Conversation, voice rants on. 11 plus 2, 12 plus 1. They see. The eyes. Funeral, real fun. Matter, remote. The classroom. Schoolmaster. Meal for one. for me alone. Sweep the floor. Too few helpers. Older and wiser. I learned words. Video game. Give a demo. Coins kept in pockets. Young lad, an old guy. My dear children, these are the words over here, and we have changed that word into a new word, but that too it should be a meaningful word. You can't make any word. If it is N-I-G-H-T, night, it is T-H-I-N-G thing. Can you do G-H-T-I-N? No. T-H-I-N can be, but you have to take the same letter of the words and you have to make a new word of the same letters. You can't change the letters or the words. Just see again. Now these are unscrambled words given over here. It's not a word given. These are the unscrambled words. E-T-G-H-I. From that you have to make a correct word. These are the words unscrambled. They have given up and down. You have to unscramble the words and make a new word from that. See here, E-I-G-H-T-8. U-C-R-C-R-O-D-E. So it is occurred. O-C-C-U-R-R-E-D. C-L-S-I-E-E-N. So it is L-I-C-E-N-C-E. License. O-E-D-S. D-O-E-S. Does. X-T-C-E-E-P. E-X-C-E-P-T. Except. D-I-Y-N-E-I-T-T. I-D-E-N-T-I-T-Y. Identity. F-O-O-S-A-L-I-S-P-R-E-N. Professional. P-R-O-F-E-S-S-I-O-N-A-L. Professional. S-N-E-E-P-P-R-C. P-R-E-S-E-N-C-E. Presence. O-B-P-S-S-I-L-E. P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E. Possible. T-M-C-E-Y-E-R-E. C-E-M-E-N-T-R-Y. Cemetery. S-S-E-P-S-O-S. P-O-S-S-E-S. Possess. C-B-D-E-E-S-I-R. D-E-S-C-R-I-B-E. Describe. So here are the words. They are not put in a correct order. You have to unscramble the words and make a new word from that, and that too meaningful words. So please go through this word formation, my dear children, these anagrams. Whatever is taught to you, these are the anagrams. Word formation I taught you. Make a new word. Everything I taught you, my dear children. That are compound words. Adjective nouns. Noun. So please go through the chapter and all that, my dear children. Write it in your notebook. Solve it. As well as you have to keep your book ready when we come to school. We'll solve it. Okay. And I'm going to check your book. Thank you. Have a great day, my dear children.